In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Excel file to Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, you want to go to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and you just want to scroll into the very bottom until you see the Settings button. Be sure to click on Settings, and then within here, you want to go to the left-hand side again, and on the very bottom, you will see an option to import. Be sure to click on Import. As you can see, we do not have Excel file as well as Google Sheets integrated in the import, but it doesn't mean that we cannot import them, but we do have to change a few things within our Excel or Google Sheets. For this example, I will use Google Sheets. Now, in order for you to actually import this into Notion, you want to go to the file itself, and then what you want to do is you want to click on Download, and then you want to make sure that whenever you export this file, it will be a CSV file instead of an XLSX. Click on CSV, and then what you want to do is you want to go back into Notion, and within Notion, you will see an option for CSV. Be sure to click on that, and then what you want to do is you want to choose a file. Once that is imported, you want to go to the very bottom and click on Map CSV Headers. Within here, it will actually show all of the things that are added within the CSV, and within that, you can actually change their property type. For the task name, we can do title, category text, priority. We can change it into something else like a select. It is up to us to actually change what type of property that we want to add for each and every column. Once that's done, you want to click on Import CSV button, which you will see here below. After that, it will actually create a new space by itself, and as you can see, everything that we imported within the Google Sheets file itself is actually integrated here. And that's about it. That's how to import Excel file to Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.